In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Gmail emails for new Zendesk tickets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. Zendesk is a powerful customer service platform, and if you're using it, you know how important it is to stay on top of new tickets as they come in. Sending out emails via Gmail whenever a new ticket arrives can help streamline your communication and keep everybody in the loop. First things first, we need to set up a trigger in Zendesk that will send emails automatically whenever a new ticket is created. You'll want to navigate over to your Zendesk dashboard. Once you're there, click on the Admin panel, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Now in the Admin panel, look for the section labeled Business Rules. Under this section, you'll see Triggers. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a list of any existing triggers you have set up. We're going to create a new one, so click on the button that says Add Trigger. You'll be prompted to give your new trigger a name. Something simple like email notification for new tickets will work perfectly. After naming your trigger, scroll down to the section that says Conditions. Here, you want to set the condition so that it applies specifically to new tickets. The first condition you should set is Ticket is created. This will ensure that our trigger works exclusively for new tickets entering the system. Next, you can add any additional conditions if you only want to send notifications for tickets in specific statuses or tagged in certain ways. But for our purposes, let's keep it open and just focus on new creations for now. Now that we have our trigger conditions in place, it's time to move on to the next step, defining the action that the trigger will perform. Scroll down to the section that says Actions. Here you want to choose Notifications and then select Email User. In the Email User section, you'll need to specify who will receive these emails. If you want to send notifications to the ticket requester, you can choose Requester from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you want to notify a specific individual or group, you can add their email addresses manually. Just remember, the more streamlined, the better. Now, you'll have to draft the email that these users will receive. You want this email to be informative yet concise. A good subject line might be New Ticket Alert Ticket Title. In the body of the email, include important details like the ticket ID, the issue at hand, and a link to the ticket in case they need to take action. Once you've crafted your email message, don't forget to save your trigger. You should see a button in the upper right corner that says Save.